Okay, I got a 2019 GMC Terrain. I'm going to show you how to get to your cabin air filter and how to pull it out. It's going to be behind your glove box. The first step is going to be to disconnect the damper right here, and all you got to do is pull on it. Okay, and I'll disconnect it. Now you're going to take your glove box and you're going to pull it towards you to disconnect the glove box. You're actually going to remove this door piece of it, okay? So all you got to do is pull it down at the bottom like that. Pull it right here and it'll come right off. It's on this hinge that will actually release down here, okay? It's made to do this. Now your cabin filter is actually located right inside here, but to get this door off for the first time, you're going to have to remove some bolts. Okay, these bolts are, you're going to need a 5.5 millimeter socket, okay? Get these off. I've already loosened these just for the quickness of the video. And once you get them off, again, these are 5.5, okay? Then you can remove the door. You got this little release here, you're going to push it in, and you got a release over here, you're going to push it in, and then the door will flip up, and there's the cabin filter there. Stick your hand in here and just pull it out. Now this car does have real low miles, so the filter won't be too dirty. And this one's really not. If you need to get one, I'll leave a link down in the description box below where you can get the part number, and if you want to order one or anything like that, make it nice and easy for you. Once you get your new one, slide it back in there, put the door down. Now you don't have to put the bolts back if you don't want to, because it does have these locking tabs here, and that's pretty much it. Thank you.